मेरे व्यूअर्स को मेरा प्यार भरा राम राम और राधे राधे। जैसा कि आप सबको पता है कि मेरा YouTube और Instagram चैनल है राकेश सहगल .काउंसलर के नाम से, जिसमें काफ़ी लोग मेरे को फॉलो करते हैं और उन लोगों में मेरे इंडस्ट्री से भी काफ़ी लोग जुड़े हुए हैं। वो काफ़ी जूनियर्स हैं जो अब वो काफ़ी सीनियर मैनेजमेंट पोजीशन पे काम कर रहे हैं। उनके बच्चे भी मेरे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं क्योंकि ये एक जो चैनल है एक मोटिवेशनल चैनल है, बच्चों के लिए बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चैनल है और बच्चों को ग्रो कैसे करना, उनके माइंडसेट को कैसे ग्रो कर सकते हैं वो उसमें क्लियरली हर वीडियोस में एक्सप्लेन किया गया है। ये जो जूनियर्स जो मेरे इंडस्ट्री से जो मेरे कनेक्टेड लोग हैं, उन्होंने काफ़ी लोगों के मेरे पास फ़ोन आए, सर आपका इतना वास्ट एक्सपीरियंस है तो आप डेयरी इंडस्ट्री में भी कोई अपना वीडियो बनाएं ताकि हम लोग इसका एडवांटेज ले सकें। ये वीडियो जो सा मैं आप शूट करने जा रहा हूँ उसका जो मैंने टाइटल रखा है, जो मैंने ज़िंदगी में अचीवमेंट करी है, मैं उसी चीज़ को शेयर करूँगा आज। दिस इज ए जीरो ब्रेकडाउन फार्मूला फॉर एनी प्लांट, or you can say zero breakdown system which I have designed with the blessing of Almighty so early tenure of my service. So before starting this video, I like to give you my brief introduction. Actually, I have worked for about 55 years in dairy industry at the level of CEO and GM. I am a qualified dairy technologist from NDRA Karnal, passed out in 1973 batch. I was promoted to unit head in 1980. Just in service of 7 years, I achieved a level of unit head. ये भी मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि इस लेवल को हम हमारे जो जूनियर्स हैं उसको कैसे इतनी जल्दी अचीव कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि जनरली लोग पढ़े हैं तो शिफ्ट इंचार्ज के लेवल पे पढ़े हैं, 20-20 साल पढ़े हैं, 15-15 साल पढ़े हैं। मैं आपको एक सिंपल सा फार्मूला बताऊंगा। देखो, अगर आप कोई चीज करना चाहेंगे, शिद्दत से चाहेंगे तो वो हो जाएगी। 3 हैबिट्स मैंने अपने अंदर डेवलप करी थी। एक तो आई यूज्ड टू शेयर माय थॉट्स विद ऑल ऑफ माय सीनियर्स एंड माय जूनियर्स। और जूनियर से कैसे बात करनी है, कैसे उनसे चीजें निकलवानी है। देखो, व्हेन यू शेयर योर थॉट्स विद समवन, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स कम्स बैक and that adds to your knowledge. If you keep everything in your mind and you don't share anything with anyone, then nothing, your mind knowledge will remain stable. So from day one, I am sharing my thoughts with everyone right on the floor, and I have risen from floor level to the top level just in 7 years. This was my first habit, sharing my thoughts. Second, when you enter into the plant, I am just advising you when, देखो आप प्लांट में तो आ गए काम करने के लिए, जब आपने एंटर किया, अटेंडेंस मार्क दी, व्हाई नॉट 100%, व्हाई 95%? आ ही गए हैं तो 100% दो ना। आप अपने सिर्फ माइंडसेट को आपने चेंज करना है, थोड़ा सा चेंज करना है। अब मैं क्या करता था कि मैं जब फैक्ट्री के अंदर एंटर करता था तो अपनी जो मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, लायबिलिटीज है घर की, फैमिली की, वो मैं कंप्लीट करके माइंड को बिल्कुल फ्री करके आई यूज टू एंटर इनटू द यूनिट। देन आई यूज टू थिंक माई सेल्फ दैट आई एम द ओनर ऑफ द प्लांट। आई एम नॉट टेलिंग एनीवन, आई एम इन माई हार्ट आई थिंक दैट आई एम ओनर ऑफ द प्लांट एंड माई रिपोर्टिंग इज टू द ऑलमाइटी। ही इज माई MD. People around there are just invisible to me. My MD is my almighty. I have just changed this thought process. When you think you are the owner of the plant, a single penny loss, if you see, that will go from your own pocket. जब ये हैबिट आपके अंदर बन जाती है तो आपको कहीं देखो लाइट जल रही है, पंखा चल रहा है, you will try to put it off. If you have that feeling in your mind, you will deliver 100%. I hope you agree with my point. ये 1980 में I joined some very big milk plant in Haryana. Within 6 months, I was promoted to unit head because I designed a unique maintenance system, preventive maintenance system, which was appreciated by everyone. मैं अगर आपको कहूँ, आप थोड़े से सिस्टम चेंज करने से 70 से 80% ब्रेकडाउन को रोक सकते हैं। क्या आप इस चीज को मानेंगे? मानना ही पड़ेगा। अगर आप वीडियो को एंड तक देखेंगे तो आई एम श्योर दैट यू विल बी 100% कन्विंस्ड। This is a very simple technique. There's nothing complicated which I am going to tell you. I am here to distribute my knowledge to everyone. I don't want to take it away with me. People have this general habit, they keep the things with them. They don't rise. When you start sharing, you get the results. हम मेन मुद्दे पे आते हैं। अब 3 चीजें होती हैं। देखो, मशीनरी है, उसमें मैकेनिकल पार्ट है, इलेक्ट्रिकल पार्ट है, इंस्ट्रूमेंटल पार्ट है। 3 ही चीजें। आप ड्यूरिंग इंस्टॉलेशन देखो, यू हैव टू टेक केयर सर्टेन थिंग्स। और मैकेनिकल में देखो, यू हैव टू, व्हेन यू इंस्टॉल द मशीनरी, यू हैव टू सी इट इज प्रॉपरली लेवल्ड, प्रॉपरली अलाइंड, and properly the centrifugal machines which are rotating at high RPM, those are to be properly balanced. This mechanical side, if you take such things in consideration, then nothing will happen. After breakdown, you have to again recheck, or if you are tending any breakdown in any machinery, you have to reinspect all these three things again. Similarly, for electrical, instrumental, you everybody knows. I am telling you the things which you already know. I am just giving you the system. अब electrical में और instrument में, you know the dust and moisture and voltage. The three things are top priority. If you are able to maintain these three things, you are able to make all electrical panel leak proof. Then no dust can enter inside, and moisture, maintain the proper humidity there. You are able to maintain the proper voltage, so that there is a minimum fluctuation. Only voltage fluctuation leads to these troubles in electrical instrumental part. Most of the things, देखो, machine will stop, either it is mechanically stop or electrically stop or instrumental stop. So you have to keep all the fronts very strong so that you have a continuous production process. If you are able to just save 2 hours breakdown, you can't imagine how much you are going to save for your company. My company used to handle 10 lakhs liters of milk every day. If I save only 20 paisa per liter, then it comes to 2 lakhs per day. If you adopt this formula, I'm sure that you can create miracle in your industry. Now we compare these two departments. One is HR department. In HR department, we go and mark there our attendance according to the department designation they have made. We go there and mark our attendance. Now we come on the maintenance side. So in maintenance side, we have to make a 5-member team. We have a senior fitter, senior electrician, instrument engineer, and 2 person. One is oil man, another is grease man, and their dress code should be totally different because this team is going to create magic in your plant. In HR, we are marking the attendance ourselves. This team, you have to nomenclate all the plant and machinery in your factory, section wise 1 to 10, 11 to 20. You have your 200 machineries according to nomenclate by serial number or name. So you have to make a chart. I'll share that chart in Excel sheet in the description. That team is going to individually to each and every machinery and going there and mark their attendance. There you are going there and marking your attendance. This team will approach to the machine, individual machine, and mark their attendance. A senior fitter, senior electrical, senior instrument engineer, and oilman, greaseman. Why the breakdown happens? What is the reason? Main backbone of the breakdown is lubrication and greasing in mechanical side especially. If the lubrication and greasing is okay, then your 70% problems are solved. So that is why we included these 2 members in this team also. One is oilman, other is greaseman. These people are taking their toolkit, and electrical man is having tongue tester with him to check the load side. Instrument engineer is there, has his own instrument to see any machine which is going to stop and going to have breakdown. That is going to tell you minimum 48 hours before that I am going to get breakdown. Sound will change, vibration will start taking place, and when these people will go every day there and marking their attendance, they will immediately come to know. Even it is 200, it is going to take 3 hours. Starting it may take 4 hours. In general shift, this shift will work with a different dress code. A mechanical man will see his own things. No vibration is there, no oil leakage is there, grease is, no bearings are getting heated up. Electrical person will see there is no cable is getting heated up. Panels are properly closed, no dust is going, no moisture is there. Similarly, instrument man will see the voltage going, the balance, everything is okay. देखो, oil level is very important. Sometimes due to the leakage in the seal, the water mixed with the oil. He will immediately come to know. Then you can stop the major breakdowns. So this is just a very simple thing, but you are not going to skip it. No, I am going to explain the chart which that this team will carry along. They will take the A4, A5 size. In that, they will make a column on the top. The company name is there, then section is there, then date is there, then period. In one page, you can take 1 to 10, from 1/7/26 to 10/7/26. one sheet. You can make 3 sheets, 1 to 10, 11 to 20, and 21 to 30. So 3 sheets of the same section that team will have with them. So first column will be serial number. The second will be particular, that nomenclature of the machinery. You can give the serial number also. The name of the machinery will be written. Then the date is there. In that date column, you will have M, E, and I. Mechanical, electrical, instrument. Now you have to mark the attendance. If mechanical person see that everything is okay, he'll mark the attendance as P. That bin machine is perfect mechanically wise. Similarly, electrical person, if it is everything is okay, will mark P. And instrumentation same. If there is any discrepancy which can lead to some major breakdown or which can't be taken care of in the spot, they will write M. M means maintenance required. On first 1-7-226 नीचे mechanical electrical instrument and they are marking the attendance MP according to the situation of the machine. Just one team of 5 persons works for 3 to 4 hours daily. You are able to remove 90% breakdown from your plant. Then what more you want? There in HR we are marking attendance ourselves. Here this senior team is going and marking attendance of every machine by looking at the situation as I explained. I hope you have understood. This is a very simple technique, and when I implemented it, I got a fabulous results. The breakdown became zero after 15 days, and I stopped very major breakdowns sometime. Because when such people are going there, qualified people are going there, they are having the tools, everything they have, the oils, grease, everything they have. If they can attend on the spot, they are attending on the spot. If they don't have, then this final sheet, when they complete it, this will go, they will sign the sheet at the bottom, and this will go to the different maintenance at mechanical, maintenance at electrical, maintenance at instrumental, and one copy will go to the unit head. And they will accordingly advise the action for the M part where the maintenance is required. देखो मशीन को चलाना इंजीनियरिंग है, पर मशीन को बचाना एक डिसिप्लिन है. ये काम आपको बहुत डिसिप्लिन से करना पड़ेगा. सेकंड चीज़ एक और मैं आपको हाईलाइट करना चाहूँगा. अब हर मशीन का OEM होता है, उसका मैनुअल होता है मशीन का, तो उसमें वो लिखा था कि इस पर्टिकुलर वर्किंग आवर्स के बाद 2000 आवर्स के बाद 5000 आवर्स के बाद यू हैव टू चेंज द ऑयल, यू हैव टू चेंज द ग्रीस. दैट टाइम यूज्ड टू कम, देन आई यूज्ड टू मेक video of that particular system when the mechanical, electrical and instrumental team is working there. I used to make video of that system when they are changing the oil, because sometimes if you just ignore it, they will remove the oil and they put the fresh oil inside. The actual method is we have to take out the chamber, we have to clean the chamber with some metal parts are there, we clean the chamber with the diesel and make it very dry, then we have to put a fresh oil. So if somebody is making video, he will follow the proper system. If nobody is giving video, so he will skip some points. So these are the things, very small things which you have to taken care of, and you have to make such system that just like CCTV is watching there, everything you are watching at CCTV. I used to be very happy the people who used to work sitting on the chair. I don't like those people who are just moving in the plant, like this, like this. I don't like those people. You have to observe the thing. You are a technical, you are not labor. You are technical people. You can judge from the sound. When you're taking one round, or heads can take only one round, they'll come to know from the sound the things are changing there. I used to judge. You can also judge. तो नेचुरली एक मेरी बात नहीं समझे आप. एक कार जब कार को करते हैं उसकी अलाइनमेंट चेक कराते नहीं चलाते, पर्टिकुलर रनिंग आवर्स का अलाइनमेंट देखते हैं, ग्रीसिंग करते हैं. सिमिलरली सेम थिंग, मशीन तो मशीन है ना. तो उसमें मैकेनिकल, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट, अगर वो चीज़ें जो मैंने आपको बताई हैं, आप यू टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल दिस थिंग्स. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, इफ़ यू लाइक माई दिस मेथड, you must share with all the people in the industry so that they can, if they gain something out of my experience, I'll be very happy. You people are all welcome to comment on this video, and if you want to speak anything, clarify anything, my WhatsApp number is there, and give me WhatsApp message. I'll connect with you accordingly. Okay, then goodbye. God bless everyone, especially my juniors and all industry people who wants to take advice on this subject. They can talk to me accordingly, which I have already mentioned. Thank you so much, and God bless you.